Welcome to MotorMav. Do you know what does the P1361 code Honda Civic mean? Don't worry. In this video, we have pointed out all those reasons and their solution. Let's see. Reason number 1. Faulty TDC Sensor 1. The first symptom of the TDC sensor issue is the check engine light symbol comes on. The ECU in your car has mentioned all sensors. An error code comes out when this ECU receives inaccurate information from the TDC sensor. In this case, you can fix the issue by replacing the faulty TDC sensor for the best result. Reason number 2. Open or shorted TDC sensor 1 harness. In this case, you may notice your engine doesn't start. To solve this, you should consult an expert mechanic. Reason number 3. Poor electrical connection to the TDC sensor 1 circuit. Typically, the error code refers to a loss of signal for the TDC sensor linked with wiring. To fix the issue, check out the visual stuff like corrosion, holes, or any cuts in the insulating wire. Hope you now got some idea.